Nan, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
And for today's vlog guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Balibago, Angeles City, and we were invited by the Nine.
This is a Korean salon na they offer facial, hair treatment, nail treatment, and other services.
Yun guys, so this is Korean technology and Korean product po yung mga ginagamit nila dito. So, papakandang Koreano ika nga nila.
Yes.
Yun guys, so if you want to know more about this salon, you're into Korean beauty, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara,
Let's go! So yun guys, this is the place if you notice. According to our orientation guys, ito ay franchise salon coming from Korea pa. So they only have 2 branches dito po sa Philippines, one in Manila and then one here in Angeles City. So we mentioned earlier yung mga products po nila na ginagamit dito for facial and for nails are actually coming directly from Korea. So parang nagpasalon ka na rin ng from Korea talaga, di ba?
Siyempre, susubukan din natin yung kanilang treatment para sa mga kamay natin. So, siyempre ako kasi more on yung nagpapawis yung mga kamay dahil sa
editing.
Editing. So, siyempre, one way to treat them is itong paraffin. Okay. So, try natin.
Try natin.
So, paano ma'am? Caution lang, medyo mainit siya. Pero
at the end, of course, it's a treatment, di ba?
yes.
No pain, no gain.
Kumbaga, tiis ganda.
Tiis ganda. And guys, just to let you know, lahat po ng mga products natin for nails and facial are directly coming from Korea. So, if you notice sa mga mahilig sa mga Korean beauty products, you might recognize this. Directly coming from Korea po yan. Yung entire procedure ng facial natin, minimum 1,000 pesos. Yun po yun.
Oh, sir.
Okay.
Siya. Pero pag simple treatment siya, sir, 1 to.
Okay. And then mostly, the entire procedure will take 1.5 hours. Usually. Okay. Right after dun naman, sobrang sarap ng pakiramdam, no, sir?
Maganda yung resulta.
Maganda yung resulta.
Kinis na mukha mo.
Okay.
Red, sir, pag wala siyang pimple.
Okay.
Tapos, pag yellow naman, may pimple siya.
Okay. So mostly red and yellow yung ginagamit natin. Okay. And so final procedure or step nung natin right after cleansing, yung ganyan, no? So little bit of stretching para talagang solid yung natin, relaxation. Wow! So yun nga guys, kung nakita nyo yung services na ginawa dun sa model natin, ginawa lahat sa akin yun. Grabe, sobrang na-relax ako, and at the same time, sabi nga ng mga owners natin dito, hindi lang naman babae yung mga nagpapaganda, nagpapagandang lalaki din ng mga tao, di ba?
So
Sa'yo naman,
So akin naman, na-experience ko yung kanilang parang
therapy siya, no? They call it
yes.
therapy,
Therapy para sa aking mga kamay. Lalo na sa mga nagpapawis yung kamay, may mga pasma. So magandang therapy yun para sa atin.
Alright, so again guys, this is a Korean technology product salon po na ginagamit nila dito. And if you're into those kinds of services and beauty care, visit na po kayo dito sa Danayan. Address natin, bro.
So the 9 is located dito sa may DC District Building. So nasa loob po siya.
Landmark niya actually is in front nung Shell gasoline station dun sa rotonda ng Astro Park. Alright, so there you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, you share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next video.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys!